10 top interior design tips for beginners and professionals. These design tips can be inculcated in any room of your house, be it the bedroom, living room, dining room, bathroom, kitchen, parlor, or any room you deem fit for a bit of styling. So let's take it by component today. You can decide what goes where as per your liking. 1. Whimsy is always welcome. Whimsical wallpapers are not just for children's rooms. Although preferred for them to aid in brain development and provide comfort, a whimsical wallpaper can be quite the conversation starter in any room. Two, murals and wall arts can add character. We all know that art adds allure to any room. All you need is a little creativity and will to brighten up your home with wall art. If you don't fancy yourself an artist, then you can always acquire a piece of art at an auction or invest in budding artists. It is the personality it brings that matters, not the brushwork. 3. Bring the room to life with lighting. Lighting can make all the difference. You can turn a dull room into a disco ball if you use the right kind of lights. LEDs are all the rage these days, and you should definitely look into some gradient lighting for valor. 4. Introduce natural elements. A follow-up to our earlier point, but with a slight twist. Inculcate natural elements such as plants, woodwork, succulents, etc. in your design style. They not only brighten up your home, but are also great sources of air purification and life force. 5. Antiques bring elegance. There is no debate that an antique piece of furniture or a vintage area rug can really spruce up the place. What's more, they look so elegant no matter where you place them. You can add them to your living room or parlor where you entertain guests, thus initiating conversation. 6. Symmetry isn't your only friend. Introduce a little asymmetry to your decorating ideas. You can use alternative design trends or simply add some gradients and texture to the overall room. Play with the items of home decor and find a perfect balance. 7. Why not have a bar in the house? Make your home the hub for social gatherings instead of wasting thousands of dollars at bars across the city. All you have to do is carve out a corner in an open-plan kitchen or the living room for a home bar. Stock up the shelves behind it, add some ambient yellow lights, and you've got yourself a hangout spot in the comfort of your home. 8. Tall furniture in small spaces. Adding tall furniture pieces in small or low-bearing rooms creates an illusion of expansive living space. You can use bookshelves, cabinets, or even floor-length textiles hanging from the ceiling like a tapestry. 9. Metals are trendy. Copper fixtures, stainless steel appliances, metallic frames, brass lampstands are all very trendy. They make the room look rustic and elegant all at once. You can also think about introducing steampunk design trends to your living room or dining room for added effect. Ten. Don't underestimate curtains. Window treatments are not just for windows anymore. We are not suggesting blinds and shutters in the living space, but long curtains made of high-quality textiles and incredible designs can go a long way into exploring new horizons. You can hang them from the ceiling like room dividers or bunch them up around the window, or even install them around a tub or shower stall for a hint of elegance.